Hi, my name is Prachi, and I recently completed a 3 months business analyst internship at UnifiedMentor Private Limited. This internship has been an amazing journey for me because I got an opportunity to apply my analytical skills in the business scenarios, real business scenarios. Over the course of 4 projects, I have worked on retail, HR, supply chain, and social media data sets and learned how to clean data, analyze these key metrics, and design interactive dashboards in Tableau and Power BI. Used SQL and Python and Excel for cleaning and everything. The best part about this internship was that I got to think like a business analyst, framed business questions, identified KPIs, and presented these insights in a very interactive way that drives decision. So a big thank you to Unified Mentor team for all the guidance and for helping me gain confidence in solving real world business problems. Thank you so much.